Well, hello everyone. My name is Dan Mitchell. I am the owner and CEO of IGS Entertainment, and I want to be one of the first ones to stir up excitement that Hoptoberfest at the Wicked Tuna is less than a month away. Saturday, October 21st, just to be exact. Right now we have about 30 breweries lined up, and just with the purchase of your ticket, you will be able to enjoy 2 different samples from these breweries, and then also enjoy $5 bites provided by Wicked Tuna, several prizes and giveaways, live entertainment, and one of the biggest outdoor projection TVs right in the southeast to watch college football. It's definitely something that we're really excited about, and we really hope to see you there. So we at IGS Entertainment, we thought that it would be some great content for our audience to sort of get a preview of just what to expect. So throughout these next couple of days, we are going to be giving a brief history lesson of some of the breweries that are around and then reviewing some of their beers as well. Today, we are starting off with Catawba Brewing. Catawba started in about 1994. The Pyatt brothers turned their passion of home brewing and turned it right into a business. They rented a huge U-Haul, drove down to somewhere in Colorado with a defunct brewery, bought their equipment, and then brought Catawba to North Carolina. And the rest is history. Right now the brewery has 4 specific locations. The main one is located in Morganton. Then they have 2 locations in Asheville, North Carolina, and then they just recently opened one up in Charlotte, which is actually about less than a mile down the road from me. So I'm sure you can imagine that I'm really excited. Today we're going to go on ahead and just sort of sample and review the White Zombie. This is going to be a beer that will most likely be sampled, although not confirmed. But just due to its popularity alone, I'm certainly confident you'll see this one. So White Zombie, this originally started off as a Halloween seasonal beer, but due to its popularity, it became year-round. It is a 5.1 ABV, or just the alcohol per volume. So it's definitely not the strongest beers right out there, but it's definitely nice. That means that it's lighter, and you can certainly pair it with a bunch of food, and then just basically go from there as well. Starting off, we're going to go on ahead and do a little taste test. For those of you who don't know how to review beers, very similar to wine. You start off by doing a little pour. Definitely not the full contents because you really want to find the characteristics through the different steps. Next, we're going to give it a nice little swirl. This right here really unlocks the characteristics and aromas from the beer. Definitely make sure that you're not around, some places where a lot of outside smells will be coming in, just so you can really perfect this process. So I smell this one. I really sense some orange peels and a little bit of spice. Definitely the aromas are coming out. It's definitely something to consider, and so I'm sure the taste will be there as well. So this is actually very normal when it comes to craft beers. They say that your nose and your taste buds are completely separate when it comes to palates and reviews. The nose will unlock a bunch of characteristics, like I was saying. This has a lot of the orange peel and spice, but then the taste buds will completely give out some different characteristics. Just tasting that, I noticed that the spice is definitely the controlling character from that portion of the test, and there's just the most subtle amount of hops out there. So it's definitely a great beer, and see, I could certainly pair it with just about anything, honestly. But there you go, folks. Just went on ahead and I just let you know about White Zombie at Catawba. You too can try White Zombie right at the Catawba Brewing, just at their table during Hoptoberfest, and just along with 29 other breweries. Be on the lookout. I will be going on ahead and posting a video from each brewery and sampling one of their beers, and you can do the exact same thing. My name is Dan Mitchell, and I'm with IGS TV. I'm signing off.